body in Harvard above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will.
Oh, hello everyone. Hello. Uh, let's see your questions. First of all, welcome guys. A warm welcome to all of you to the this live stream. So yeah, I'm doing fine, man. I hope you're also doing good. And hi everyone. So welcome to the stream. So if you want to be part of my community, you can check out my Discord server. The link is in the description, and also I'll provide them in my Twitter. Just a minute, guys. Let's wait. I want to copy this thing and let me paste this thing. So if you want to check out my Twitter or whatever it is, you can check out all the links are in this particular link tree thing. So you can do check them out from there. So that is it. So if you have any doubts or suggestions or whatever it is, you can simply suggest me. Yeah, hello Lexi, hello man, what's up? I hope you're doing good. So yeah, are you doing OSCP preparation? I think it's done, man. So my OSCP preparation is almost done. So like I'm just like kind of like I'm not much confident with the Active Directory part. Okay, so I'm just looking for some sources. So I started doing this try hacking rooms and stuff. Okay, but like I need to do more. So what the only thing left is like voucher. I need to buy a voucher. So my preparation is something like I learned everything, almost all the topics before buying the voucher. So I'll buy a voucher in like 1 or 2 months. Okay, so just max 1 or 2 months, and I'll give the exam like I'm not sure when I will give the exam, but I'll buy the voucher within 2 or 3 months, maximum 2 months, man. Maximum 2 months. I'll do let you know, guys, on my channel. So what's the steps and everything like that, you can do find them on my channel. So stay tuned. So as of now, everything is done, man. So I have a good confidence with what to do and stuff. But Active Directory part is something like I'm not much sure, because there are no like good like what you call, like only few people gave this OECP the latest part. So like I'm not sure what kind of questions they'll ask, but I need to find out like what is the depth and everything like that. I need to find that out. So was it complicated to become a cybersecurity engineer? Not a complication, man. It's a kind of something awesome. So like I'm a cybersecurity engineer as of now, but like in cybersecurity engineer, so mostly since I'm a fresher, they gave me like I for my role I got like a blue team thing. So I'm a blue team guy. So like what I do is like I manage the privileged accounts. Okay, so that is what I do. I manage the privileged accounts on for a company. So that is what I do. Okay, so something like that. So that is what I do. Okay, for how long are you in this field and what is your age? 3 years, I think. 3 years, most probably. And what's your age? My age is like 20 completed. That's it. Nothing more than that, man. Still, there is a lot to go. And guys, if you want to be part of my community, or if you want to just follow me on any social media or whatever it is, you can check out this link tree thing. So almost my Discord server, Twitter, YouTube, everything on this description. And if you want to know updates about or content that I share, etc., like that, you can check out my Twitter. So everything is going to be fine. So yes, any questions or whatever it is. So when you start learning cybersecurity while I'm in BTech second year, so like it's like 3 years, man. It's been 3 years. So I made good progress. Okay, I learned from different sources. I made good friends. Okay, so I'm still learning. So right now my focus is on like to work on this Active Directory part. Okay, so I need to go in depth. Okay, so I feel like I'm not much confident in that. And also like I need to have something like some confidence. Okay, in Active Directory, and also I want to work more on this bug bounty part. Okay, so bug bounty part is the thing. Is there any scope in red teaming? Yes, there is a scope, man. So there is definitely a scope. Okay, so I'm not saying that there is no scope, but like I do like the red teaming part only. So for that, what they required for my company, what they required is they asked me for something like to do some certifications. So I shown like I completed the CH practical, but they have a standard to have this OSCP thing and also some kind of 2 or 3 years of experience. So that's the reason I am right now in blue team part. But definitely, guys, I'll definitely go to the red teaming part because that is where I belong. Okay, so how do you get to know Jay from Jet Security? Like course, man. I follow his course. I've purchased his course with my own money. Okay, on Udemy. Like it's like one of my early courses. Okay, so like I learned a lot from him. On class 11th, can I started learn hacking from class. Wow, that's cool, man. Like 3 years is fine. So believe in GitHub notes repos for Active Directory. Dude, the thing you should know is Active Directory is when and where to leverage. Yes, yeah, I'm good with that. I've seen notes and everything like that, but I'm like kind of like I know the topics how you can attack and stuff, but I need some more thing like more practice. You call right? I know the concepts and stuff, but I need more practice. How much an OSCP certified can get paid in India? Like it's dependent on the company, man. So sometimes you can get a hefty price. Sometimes you might be getting a lower price. Like it's dependent. Okay, so you can do check them out on any of the sites or whatever it is. Leaked version of courses, yeah. Like almost all the courses that you upload on Udemy are like available on like some pirated versions. But if you truly love a course, man, like just try to buy a course like it's like 400 yes, hack the box room. I need to definitely work on them. So I should purchase hack the box premium. So I just used to have this try hack me premium, but it's done. So like try hack me, like it's definitely helped me, man. Like I should say, like most of the skills that I learn in practical manner are through this what you call this try hack me room only. So I loved this try hack me, and there are a lot of rooms. Like if I take as of now, I like this particular try hack me room. So there is something for Windows privilege escalation, Linux privilege escalation, Active Directory. Like I learned a lot. Like but hack the box is a different it's like what you call the black box pen testing kind of thing. Courses, I'm not sure about courses, man, the hack the box courses, because like I haven't purchased or haven't seen them. Okay, so I'm not the right guy to go. So coming to the leaked versions, yeah, if you truly enjoy a course, man, like just pay them. Okay, so what you when you pay them, what you get is like you get a support. Okay, so like you'll definitely when you're starting up, you'll definitely face a lot of issues. Okay, it might be the issue with the tool, or it might be issue with your understanding, or whatever it is. Like if you use this pirated stuff, now what you do is like you can get a good support. Okay, but when you purchase their courses, like you will get some kind of good support like in the Udemy platform itself. Okay, so do you watch Mr. Robot? I watched Mr. Robot. It's done. Like I really like the Mr. Robot. The reason I is like because most of the people or on the internet told that like it's more the hacking is practical, but the plot is also good. The story plot is also good, not that worst. Okay, it's good. Okay, so like we can see people, man. Like most people have those kind of social anxiety thing. So like it happens. Okay, so does hack the box upload now? I need to learn JavaScript for accesses. Yes, man. Like not to like advanced level, you don't need to be a JavaScript developer, but if you can able to understand what the JavaScript is, like how you can do some stuff, it's fine. Okay, see what happens is like I do some challenges. Okay, so something like CTF challenges kind of thing. So where they'll give me a web application and I need to test some kind of stuff. Okay, any references? I'm not sure, man. I don't have any references in the stuff, but if you wait for like 2 or some years, I think I can give you the reference. Okay, but as of now, I'm not having anyone. Like I know people, but of different domains. Okay, so like they told me that they can recommend, like they are having some requirement. Like I know person who works in Google. Okay, so yeah, Google and Google Hyderabad. Okay, if you want more. So like he's a network engineer, but he told me that he'll be giving me a reference. He'll be giving me a reference for like there is a role for the networking thing. He told me that he'll give a reference, but networking is not my thing. Like they need some certifications, man. Okay, like you need some what you call experience as well, but as of now the experience is what lacking. So like I need to stay low. Okay, remain low. Like I need to do a regular job kind of thing for like 2 years or whatever it is, like 1 year max, and I'll do the necessary search and whatever they require, and I'll just jump to this sorry guys, I'll jump to this red teaming or pen testing, whatever you call. Sorry guys, but pricing structure of HDB background, like I'm not sure, man. Like I know that they have something like HTB Academy, but I haven't seen this purchasing or what is something like that. Okay, so let's see what is this award. So there is something like a business training. What is the certifications, I think? Okay, you have some kind of certifications. HTB certified bug bounty hunter. uh what you get, it's like kind of exam, I think so. Yeah, it's an exam. You can see it's a voucher based. So courses, we'll see what courses they're providing. So intro to this stuff. So are these paid? Let's see, let me click on one of those. And are these paid, man? Do like it's a hard thing, but where can I see whether it is paid or not? Okay, so go to paths. Okay, so like you can see something like all job role paths. Let's click on job role paths because that's where we all go through, right? So let's go with something like junior pen test. Oh well, like there is something kind of dimes, like some kind of thing, I think so. Like yeah, you can see cubes are required, I think. Yeah, so I know what this means. So if you pay some premium, right, for a month, like if you pay $10, you'll be getting some kind of cubes. So with those cubes you need to pay them. So yeah, like these paths, like I'm not sure what they offer, but like since it's hack the box, so I think the professionals would be some kind of good stuff only, I think so. Yeah, sure, man. Like see, I'll definitely remember you, man. I'll definitely remember you. Which programming language do you know? I know HTML, JavaScript. I'm not saying I'm the kind of developer kind of thing, but I know what they do. So see where I left JavaScript, HTML, this web languages, man. So it's something like I even know how you can connect with this backend. So Java servlets, JSP and stuff. I know SQL. I know this C, Python, C++. Like yeah, like I know, man. Python. Like I can understand. So whether it is a Ruby or Perl, I can just understand the code. So that is what I think. HTML is not a programming language, so that's the reason I told like something like web development languages. You should purchase cubes. Yeah, cubes. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, most of the HDB is paid. Okay, yeah, HDB is paid, man. how much experience do you have in pen testing? No, man. Like I'm learning and I'm doing stuff, but I haven't done a real pen test or whatever you call. So I should say it's a nil experience. Okay, like all I learned is during my education part only. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's where I'm lacking. Like in pen testing, I don't have any experience as of now. Hack the box is much advanced. Yeah, HTML is definitely not a programming language. Yes, try hack me is kind of beginner friendly. On my personal experience, try hack me is something like which holds your hand. Okay, but hack the box is something like hard in the sense like if you're a beginner, if you're starting from a beginner, it will be definitely hard, man. Like you don't have any clue or whatever it is. But hack the box, if you do like 10 boxes on hack the box, you can gain a knowledge. And when you try to do the same, okay, on this what you call this hack the box or whatever it is, you'll be finding much more easier. So if you're a beginner, start with try hack me. The prices are almost same. Like this is in dollars, $10 and £10. So like there will be some kind of like price fluctuation, but yeah, almost they are same cost only. But hack the box don't start when you're a new guy. Okay, so my experience, don't start it. Okay, like I'm not saying not to start permanently, but start with track me, do some rooms because they give you a lot of good hints how to do and everything like that. Just try to do them, and once you get a good experience on how to do this stuff, you can just go and do some kind of thing, right? What projects or experience do you need to get a job as security engineer? Like you don't need any experience, I think. So if you're a fresher, see, sometimes what you need is like you don't need any kind of experience or whatever it is. You need to apply for the right post at the right time. Okay, see, most people say that you won't get a job or whatever it is. See, what you need to do is like you need to apply them. Okay, you need to keep an eye on some different platforms. Okay, so something like Naukri, like there are a lot of websites, job searching websites. Like don't say that this particular LinkedIn works. Like I've applied for like tons of jobs on LinkedIn, man, but I haven't even got a single message or mail from the what you call from the people who hire. Like I'm not sure, man, what they do. Like I applied it for the something like fresher jobs only, but still I haven't got any kind of reversion or whatever you call. But I applied on Naukari, Naukari. So it's a Indian thing, but if you are of a different country, so try to search on different platforms which are associated with your company. So like I was able to find, so people started approaching me. Okay, so like it's dependent. Okay, so these days I started using cving. It's really easy and I'm really enjoying. Yeah, it's definitely easy, man, because ETF is like a beginner's part. That's fine. How did you find your job suggestions to add in resume? Maybe can you share your resume before you got into the first security job? Sure, I'll definitely share it, man, but not as of now. Okay, so it discloses a lot of my personal info, like my personal phone number, whatever it is. So what I enclosed is like whatever the thing that I did. So I enclosed my experience. So even I calculated this particular YouTube journey as an experience, man. So like I've seen people contacted me, but I got jobs, man, but the pay scale is kind of less. So that's the reason I rejected a lot of things. But we all know that, right? So mostly you get like low stuff only for like beginners in infosec. Like I'm not discouraging you, but that is what happens. Okay, so and I added whatever the things that I done, man. So on that I uploaded, like I included the YouTube thing. Okay, I used the same Heath Adams template. Okay, so you can see Heath Adams resume. Okay, I think he provided it somewhere. I'm not sure. He has some kind of yeah, sample pentest resume. Is it that? I'm not sure, but he has some kind of resume. So like it's a kind of structure which is more thing. So no, I shouldn't disclose it, man. So yeah, Heath Adams template is simple and easy as well. Okay, so it is simple as well as easy. So you can just make some changes and it will be working fine for you. Okay, so and experience, and also do mention the projects. Okay, so most people don't mention the project. So whether it can be a small project, like if you go to my GitHub, so I have small projects like ARP scanner, whatever it is. Even though even I mentioned them, and some projects that I done during my college. Okay, so which are related to something like programming thing. So I included all of them. And also don't forget to include your GitHub. guys, like every company has a GitHub thing. So every company has a GitHub organization, and you will be working, if you go to an industry level, you will be working on GitHub. So don't forget to mention your GitHub repo or GitHub, whatever it is. Okay, don't forget to do this. Okay, I've seen like some videos on YouTube where like people got rejected because they haven't included their this GitHub thing. Okay, so whatever it is, try to do it. Like, you don't need to upload something, right? You can just fork some others repositories. Okay, so make sure you make your repository look rich. Okay, so that is what it is. What projects you did? Like, I did some like college projects, man. Like we built a web application. So what it does is like, not like, I'm not saying I'm the only one. We as a team built some web application, which like what you can do is like, you can book your slot for parking. So let us assume you have a big company, okay, whatever it is, or if you're organizing an event, okay, so you'll be expecting a lot of people, right? So what you do is like, you can we created a web application through the help, which consists of database and some security stuff as well, because I'm guy who related to that. So what we did is like, so whenever someone want to book a space, okay, for parking his car or bike or whatever it is, so they need to log in, they need to mention their details, and once they mention it, the block gets that particular parking lot gets blocked. Okay, and like, he will be having with that. So that is like that. Okay, and some other projects like some this bank project. Okay, so this is like a big project. Then I think so, like, if you go to this banking thing now, like, don't think it is some hacking or something like that, guys. Like, you can see, you got lot of files here. Okay, so like, it's a kind of a big thing, big project that I built. And some hacking tools like ARP scanner, some subdomain hunter, like simple things only. Yeah. So I have experience as a Linux and security technical writer. Yeah, definitely, man. So whatever you've done, just add it. Okay, so just add it. It doesn't have anything. How do you approach a website if you are hunting a bug? Right now, like, I'm not doing any bug hunting, but if I, how do I approach? Okay, so first is the recon part, man. So that's what anyone will do. So the recon, you need to find out about the application, okay, what it does, and like, what company about that. Okay, so there is something called as Crunchbase. Okay, so I'll go there and I'll see first of all what application I'm hacking. Okay, so like, if I'm hacking something like an e-commerce website, I need to just close. Uh, I'll definitely disclose me later, but it's later. Okay, so like, I'll just a minute. So I'll come to his thing. So I'll just know about the application, what type of application I'm seeing, and what kind of vulnerabilities that I can find, or whatever it is. Okay, so that is what it is. And like like you can follow, you can use some tools, okay, so which you can implement for doing the bug hunting and part. Okay, see what happens is like, guys, like, the salary that I get from a company is like lesser than what I get from doing some business that I do. Okay, so that is what it is. So I earn more money side, okay, through sideways. So it can be from YouTube, or it can be from one-to-one sessions, or it can be from whatever it is, from training sessions, or whatever it is. Okay, so that's more than what I get. Okay, so sometimes, not all the time, because we know business, right? Sometimes you get more money, sometimes you won't even get a money. So business is something like hit or trail. Okay, so do you recommend mentorship or training for bug hunting? Yes, yes, man. Like, I just I would recommend, man. Definitely, I would recommend. Like, bug hunting is something which is different. Okay, you need to have some kind of mindset. Okay, so like, you might not get the mindset, man. Okay, first of all, like, pen testing is kind of thing. Okay, for everything you definitely need some kind of a mentor. Okay, see, mentor in the sense, like, I don't even have any mentor. I don't have any mentor, man. Okay, so first of all, like, I've done almost all the stuff on my own. Okay, so but if you need a mentor, like, if you're just starting out, if you want to ask some stuff, okay, which he don't feel like some kind of thing, right? You can choose anyone a mentor, but if you can do your things on your own, it would be more than enough. Okay, but like, you can't say you need a mentor, but you can have some friends. Okay, so that is what I can say. Yesterday I got a dream about hacking NASA with HTML. Even now you can hack it, man. You don't need to hack NASA with HTML. What you call this thing, right? Not only in dreams, you can hack it for real. Can you please explain what is an IDOR? So, like something like it's a kind of vulnerability, man. See, let us assume that you have an application and you are a user, okay, who is having some kind of personal information. So if you take some hack the box or track me account, what you have, like you have, like if you purchase some kind of premium, you'll be definitely having a credit card information. Like what should happen is like only you should be able to see your credit card information company, right? But if I was able to see the information, right, then what can possibly go wrong is like I can see like not only your data, I can see anyone's data. I think I made a video on IDOR. Okay, so I think I made a video on IDOR, man. Just check it on my channel. So just add IDOR and Satvik TechTuber or Satvik, whatever it is. So the thing. So how to start with Web3? Like you find good resources, man. I just found a resource. I'll just share it. Okay, not an issue. I'll just share late on my Discord server. So I just found good resource on Web3. Okay, so and also guys, some people ask me like my channel name is kind of weird. Okay, so it's something like Satvik and TechTuber. Like to be frank, guys, what is it is like when I started this channel, I want a name which is unique. Okay, see what happens is like if you simply keep the name as Satvik, what happens is like there are tons of people with the name Satvik. If I go to YouTube, okay, and if I type Satvik, like you'll find tons of videos, man, with the name Satvik. Like might not be the first name. Okay, you can see the people, some comedian, like you can see. Let's see on some kind of incognito, and let's see what we'll have. Let me click on this thing. So let me go to YouTube. Okay, so let's search Satvik and let's see what we'll get. So you can see still we are getting the name because like we are doing good stuff, but you can see some other person whose name is also Satvik. Okay, see like what happens is like you need to have some kind of unique name. Okay, so not only for YouTube or for anything whatever it is, like if you take Twitter, LinkedIn or Instagram, what happens is like use VPN. I can't use a VPN right now, man, because like my stream quality will get affected. Okay, so I'll just try it later. Okay, but like I'm trying in browser, right? So in the incognito browser, right? So most of the time it is what it is, I think so. Most of the time it is what we'll get, I think so. Okay, but yeah, as you're telling, so VPN. So if you check for that. Can I use Windows for pen testing if I were able to install all the necessary tools? No, yes, you can use it, man. You can use it. There is something called as Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so you can use Linux within your Windows. You can definitely do that. I'm not saying you cannot, but there is definitely a way you can do that. Okay, so there you need to search for something like Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so subsystem for Linux, WSL. So you can go to these guides, okay, and you can just follow those guides and it will be more than enough. Okay, so you can do hacking from your Windows. I've seen people who do that. Even if it doesn't look, you should accept that you're popular. Sure, man. Like the name might be kind of different, okay, but I'll definitely try it out, man. But I just need to find out like what is the search result. Like mostly what happens is like it's based on rank. So if you can see, he's an actor. I've seen his videos. So his name is also Satvik. Okay, I've seen his videos. He's a fun guy. Okay, so and this one is kind of different. So almost the names are similar, right? Like some people will have like Satvik is written in different names. Like the spellings are different, kind of different. That is the thing. So I'll search that and I'll try to like post a screenshot if possible. Like but if you add something like TechTuber, right, so it is something like a unique name. Okay, so if you add something like this, I'll be the only one who is coming. Okay, so like that's the reason why I added that name. Okay, so like that's a kind of thing gimmick, guys, whatever you call. Like during the initial states you need to get some kind of a unique thing, right, so that the people can remember you. Like what I used to do is like in the starting stage, yeah, Lexi Lovement, I think you will only be there. Yeah, like you need to have a unique name. That's what it is. Okay, and like not like in YouTube what happens is like they doesn't encourage some what you call unique names. Okay, like you can see if you go and search for something like uh tech Telugu, right? Simple, like you'll find tons of channels with the same name. Okay, like Ravi Tech. Like if you search for a name, right, you can find a ton. You can see how many tech channels with almost the same name. So that is it. Like YouTube doesn't have some kind of thing. So road to OCP, definitely, man, it is coming. It is definitely coming. No need to issue. I will purchase the voucher or the OCP voucher in the next month, like in the September, most probably. Okay, so September by the end of September, I will just buy it. Okay, buy it or whatever it is through whatever means it is. I'll just get a voucher by for myself, and then what I do is like but by now I completed almost all the training part. Like the only thing that is left is this Active Directory part. Like I've done the learning part and I've done few stuff, but I need more confidence. So that is what I'm lacking. But I think like I think I have like around like 1 month, I think so, more than 1 month. So if I work on them, I think I can definitely do that. For blogging, I'm not sure, man. I'm not the right guy to ask about blogging. Like if you started blogging, right, uh just hack your college. No, man, my college uses something secure. Okay, so they pay a lot. Okay, so they pay a lot like for the developers and they have a security team. Okay, so like it's kind of hard. Okay, but there used to be vulnerabilities. Okay, like I've seen some vulnerability like where you can see the pictures of everyone. Okay, who are studying in the college because we have ID number and stuff. So like not like I'm not saying I am the one who found it, but there is some kind of vulnerability. So IDOR vulnerability you can call. Okay, I can see anyone's pictures. Okay, by simply running a code or whatever it is. So what I did is like I wrote a Selenium bot. Okay, so what it does is like it generates the numbers. Okay, so like everyone has like if the person is starting from something like that. Lol, man, like you shouldn't do those things. Okay, so those come under illegal acts. Okay, so if they get a case, like if someone files a case, what happens is like their careers will definitely go in vain, man. Like if you get a case on you, like if you get some case in the sense like a police case, like your career will almost be finished, man. Like I've seen companies. Okay, so they in some companies ask like whether you are in the police custody or whatever it is. So like it is not the thing that I would recommend. Okay, so if you have an anger, like it is not the right way. Like if you do a small mistake, yes, like Marcus Hutchins is like I think he is a good guy. I think so. I think he protected a lot more members from ransomware, right? Thing, but that's a different thing. Okay, so someone will call him hero, someone will call him something like that, right? So I'll come the CRTP versus OSCP. Like CRTP, Red Team Pen Testing, man. It's from Pen Testing Academy, but OSCP. Like personally, I would choose OSCP, man. If I were in your place, like if you have a budget and whatever it is, like what happens is like it has more value, man. That's the first thing. Okay, so I can't say like every company has some requirement. Like they will give some kind of description for the job role. Sometimes they'll definitely have if they're hiring for some pen testing or red team, they'll definitely have OSCP in it. CRTP is I'm not sure, but coming to both, like almost they are like pen testing thing on the red team part only. So, but I would recommend OSCP if you have a budget. Okay, like it has some value, man. Like ultimately, you are doing some certification to showcase your skill, and you can earn your job, right? That's what we do. This also for AWS and cloud stuff. No, man, I'm not sure. When a company is relying its whole security on you, they'll surely, yes, they'll definitely, man, they'll definitely check. Okay, I think he's the one. I'm certified CRT. Oh, the congratulations, man. What is the price of this thing? So you can do let me know. Or I'll just search it. CRTP. CRTP. Yeah, this is the thing. Pentester Academy. I've seen it. What is the cost? Okay. Oh, this is completely about Active Directory, right? Oh, that's cool, man. What is this thing about? basic, the following are the prerequisites. Okay, that's fine. So what you do, like, I think you can, I think, I don't know what is the price or whatever it is. Oh yeah, I can have purchase options. So 30 days lab access, and will you get a voucher? I'm not sure. Will you get a voucher? Yes, OSCP is like more, man. Like, I'm not degrading some other certifications, but as of now, okay. So even I CEH is also kind of more. Okay, like I've seen companies only posting for CEH thing. So I'm not sure like how to pass this thing, or if you can suggest me, like only with training and with the voucher. Okay, so so what we'll try to do is okay, so CRTP, I'll definitely check it out. Okay, but 30 days of lab, okay, and the purchase includes access to our video course. One certification attempt is included in the pricing. Additional attempts will be $99 each. Once connected to VPN, consider the lab to be a hostel environment, and you're responsible for your computer security. Okay, so like yeah, for like $249, like it's good thing, man. Like I'm not saying it's worst or whatever it is. Like if you want to learn this Active Directory part, and if you want to have some kind of certification in your back, like OSCP is costly, man. I will agree with that. Okay, OSCP is so costly, but if you, but this course, this thing is also not, I'm not saying it's worst, okay, but Pentester Academy is known for some time. Like some companies might still look for this stuff, okay. Some companies might definitely only look for something who has a good experience in this Active Directory lab and stuff, but yes, that's the thing. So I think that is it, guys. I think we can wind up the session, I think so. Okay, so you can see the author and whatever whoever it is, so you can ask for a contact, or that's fine. Purchase options 30 60 left, $249. So what it is, 249 USD to INR. Like the USD value keeps on changing, man. So it's like once I seen it's like 79, but it's like it's keep on decreasing, man. I'm not sure. Like you can see sometimes it goes to something like more value, and sometimes it just reduces. That's the reason I check. CH has more scope in jobs, but OCV has less scope for like red teaming. But CH consists of all other jobs like reported. Yeah, CH like has a large scope. Yes, positions, I'll agree with that, man. But OSCP is something, if you are seeking for something like pen testing or red teaming thing, you need to have a good experience and OSCP, man. So then you can go ahead. But I'm not saying like if you have an OSCP, you'll definitely get a job or whatever it is. But ultimately, the skill and the, like, even though you have skill, like there should be an opening, man. The first thing you need to have an opening. So whether if there is no opening for a company, like there won't be any kind of use, right? Like it depends on a lot of stuff. So job is not only about certifications. Like on my experience, this is what I'm telling you. Okay, so that is it, guys. I think we'll wind up the session. I think it's been like 40 minutes, 37 minutes. Okay, so really thank you for joining me for today's stream. Like tomorrow I'll most probably post a video. We'll try to complete. Yes, numbers is not everything, man. Yeah. Like I'll try to complete this Windows Plus escalation part. Okay. So as soon as possible. So tomorrow I'll try to continue this Windows Plus escalation thing. So that's the thing. So I think you asked me question. But I'm in 12th grade for from commerce background. I'm not sure, man. I think I'm not the right guy to answer because like I'm from different stream. Okay, I'm from like BTech CSC thing. Like I'm not the right guy to answer this. Like you might feel like I'm big guy, but like I'm just completed my BTech, man. So like if you want me, if I don't know what you need to do after 12th or whatever it is. Yeah, is the OCP video resource courses pass? Like no, man. For pass in the sense like, see, OCP is not all about the theory. Okay, you'll get like some kind of normal pages or stuff. Like what, it's all depend on how you do it. Okay, how your mindset is or whatever it is. Okay, so OSCP is where it exceeds. Okay, learn, like if you complete all this thing, right? uh like if you complete all these what you call these videos, right, you'll definitely get a good understanding of what you need to do. But then passing in the sense like it depends on your mindset and practice or whatever it is. Okay, so it depends on a lot of stuff, man. Okay, so I think Lexi gave you answer, I think, but like even consider asking some other people as well. So don't go with only one person's opinion, just ask others as well. Like some people definitely would have gone through like that, right? So just ask someone whether it is good or not. If you feel it is good, definitely do it. Okay. uh, so any more questions? We'll just wind up the session. So tomorrow we'll be getting a video on Windows Plus escalation thing. So, and also guys, if you have any doubts or whatever the queries, you can just connect me on my Discord, so you can post your questions. Okay, so you can ask your Discord questions or whatever it is on my Discord server. The link is in the description below or in the chat. Okay, so all the best, guys, and good night. And really, thank you for connecting to the stream. So, thank you, man. Thank you, Immortal. Thank you, bye. Like, like what I'm doing is like I'm keeping almost all the stuff. Okay, so I want to, my dream is like to become something like a hacker's plot kind of thing. Okay, so like I know it takes time. I'm not saying I can be in an overnight guy, but like he inspired me most. Okay, his videos, like I learned a lot from his videos, like more than from his course, like from courses whatever I paid. Okay, so I want to make content like that. So yeah, thank you guys for connecting to me this stream. So we'll definitely meet in the next. So on the next live stream will be mostly on the same time. So on Sunday at 8 p.m. or whatever it is Indian Standard Time thing. And tomorrow there will be a video. This week I'll most probably post like 2 or 3 videos. So thank you guys for connecting me to the stream. We'll meet again. Thank you. Bye.